Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 72nd question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 72 videos, 71 videos as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Now look at this question and remember this question is less about quadratic equations and more about your ability to simplify the question. Okay, the question becomes very easy if you know how to simplify the question. So we will spend a lot of time actually trying to simplify the question itself. Maybe the quadratic equation itself will be a very small quadratic. So let's see. I do not have anything common in the denominators, which means I have to cross multiply and multiply the denominators as well. So this will become x minus 4 into x minus 7 plus of x minus 6 into x minus 5. This whole thing divided by x minus 5 into x minus 7, and this is equal to 10 upon 3. Okay, now let me take the cross multiplication right now itself. So 3, the whole thing is multiplied by, let's open the brackets, this is x square minus 7x minus 4x plus 28 plus of x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 30, and this whole thing is equal to 10 times of a product of these two, okay, in the denominator here, because I'm cross multiplying and simplifying. So it will be x square minus 7x minus 5x plus 35. Okay, this is the question. Now 3 times of, let me collect all the x square. So when I collect the x square, I get 2x square, 2x square. Let me collect all the x, 7x and 4x, 11x, 11 and 6, 17, and 5, 22x. So this is minus of 22x. Okay, minus of 22x plus of 58, 30 and 28 is 58. This is equal to 10 times of x square minus of 7x and 5x is 12x plus 35, and this is equal to 6x square minus 66x plus 174 is equal to 58 3s is 150 and 24 174, yes, and this is equal to 10x square minus 120x plus 350. Let me move everything to this side and equate it to 0. So this will become equal to 10x square minus 6x square will be 4x square. 120 minus 66 is 54x, and 350 plus plus 350 minus 174 will be 176 equal to 0. Because these numbers are huge, let me just verify it once. 10x square minus 6x square is 4x square. 120 minus of 120 plus of minus 66 is equal to 54, and 350 minus 174 is 176. Yes, so this is correct. Now I'll divide everything by 2, so it will be x square minus 2x square minus 27x plus of 88 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation that you actually have to solve. So after doing so much of simplification and after doing so much of calculation, this is the small quadratic equation that you have to solve. And basically you have to find a number two numbers whose product is 88 into 2, which is equal to 176, and you have to find two numbers whose sum is minus 27. And this is very simple because I know the table of 16. It is 16 into 11, it is 176, and if I use a minus 16 and a minus 11, it will be minus 27. So I'll break it down exactly in that format, which is 2x square minus 16x minus 11x plus 88 is equal to 0. If you're wondering how I broke this down so very quickly, remember you should know tables. Okay, I know the table of 11, and I know that in the table of 11 176 comes at 16 11s. Okay, and that is how I broke it down so fast. Let's solve this further. I take 2x common, I get x minus 8 minus of 11 into x minus 8 equal to 0. I take x minus 8 out common and it becomes 2x minus 11 equal to 0. I equate this separately with 0, I get x equal to 8, or I equate this separately with 0 and I get x equal to 11 upon 2. And this is the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other question for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.